Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your Facebook profile. So in here, I've already on the Facebook apps. To start the locking your Facebook profile, you can click on your profile, click on your photo at the top right corner, and then scroll down until you find the settings and privacy. And here you can go to the settings, click on settings again, scroll down, and you'll find the profile locking in under the audience and visibility section. So just tap on that. So if you want to lock your profile, you can make your photos and posts more private in one step. So by activating the locking profile, only friends can see the photos, posts, and stories on your profile, and only your friends will see your full resolution profile picture and cover photo. But people will still be able to search for you and send you friend requests. So just tap on this lock your profile options, and just like that, now your profile has been locked. So only your friends can see the photos, posts, and story on your profile. Just click on OK and you are finished. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.